Hey guys, what's up, and thanks for joining me with this new video. I am showing you guys how I got the color for my newest unit. I have a lace frontal as well as 3 bundles in a loose wave texture. The bundles have already been pre-lightened to around an 8, maybe a 7. One of the bundles I lifted up to about a level 9 just so I can have lighter tones within the unit. So I'm cleaning out my color, and I wanted to use up color that I already had. So I'm using a 6C, which is a copper. You can also use a 5C or 7C if you don't have that, and you can also use CG if you like, and you'll still get a coppery effect. Again, I'm using what I already had, so 6 copper is what I'm using. I'm just going in and making light strokes, turning my brush vertically so that I won't have any harsh lines, and I'm blending the 6 copper all the way up as far as I can go. I actually did leave some of the natural lifted color in there because I wanted several variations of the colors that are going to be included in the unit. So I have reds, coppers, and then some blondes. So you'll see me purposely skip spots so that I can have all of the colors in the unit. Okay, so at the end of this bundle, I am actually going to be using 6RR. I'm using Pravana. I already had this available to me, so I'm using it with a 0 volume developer. You can use it with a 10 or a 20, however you don't need any lift. What's applied already to the top of the bundle is 5RV. And I had just a tad bit of this left, so I mixed it up and I was able to apply it right next to the natural 1B color closest to the weft. I did leave about 1.5 inches of the 1B so that it'll have a natural fade on the bundle. So this is the bundle that I did lift up a little bit higher. The stains that you see, I just pretty much wiped my hands, which had red color on it, around the bundle. It's all gonna blend together nicely, so I'm not too worried about it staining. Plus I'm going in with a vibrant red in order for this bundle to be a little bit lighter than the others, to give me a little bit of natural highlights. So I'm still using the 6RR to go in, and I'm going to go up the length of this bundle so that I can have more of that vibrant red closer to my weft. Okay, so off camera I did apply a 5RR in Pravana, and I mixed it with the 6RR that I had left because I only had a little bit, and I applied that to the top part that you see that's blonde here. I did it off camera at a later time, so I didn't get the footage, but this is what it all looks like. Now I will say I wasn't too fond of the blondes that were still left in the hair, so once I got the wig constructed, I went in and I added more red to the top, which is what you'll see here. I think I have footage of it. If so, I'll insert it. But if not, go ahead and subscribe so that you can be updated when I upload part 2. And thanks again for watching.